So many people today are screwed up because they don't understand what a carbohydrate is. There's good and there's bad. And I want to help clarify things for you to make it completely crystal clear so you can live the healthiest, strongest, happiest life you can. Straightforward. What you see here, a nice clean divide. What this is, bad carbohydrates, because they're refined. There's a lot of white refined flour, white refined flour, white refined flour. You have white potato chips here that have been fried to hell and seasoned with all kinds of things. Pastries of all different kinds. Things like this, the problem with these, they're refined. They've been broken down into tiny little particles, which your body basically doesn't even have to digest. This is almost pre-digested in your system, used up real quick. But here's the kicker. This stuff comes with a lot of fat. Now, if you're eating a lot of energy real quick, your body's like, I'm done. I don't need any more energy in my system, but you then add fat. So your body stores that extra energy, which fat is, for a rainy day, puts it in your body fat system, but you're going to store a whole lot more because of this. And this is why people are told to avoid carbohydrates. But here's the problem, guys. Listen, this is not this. This is what you call good quality carbohydrates. This is slow burning, long lasting, high in fiber, high in nutrients, whole food carbohydrates. This is what our bodies run on. This is going to make you feel like $1,000,000. This is going to heal you, help you, make you stronger, fitter, healthier, happier. This is what you want in your body. You got red rice, brown rice, cargo rice, you got whole oats, barley, nuts and seeds, sweet potato, yellow potato, corn, beans, all those different type of things like that. This is what you want to eat if you want to live the happiest, healthiest you can be, and you want to eat this in very, very low amounts. When they say moderation, don't even go down that road. Just avoid them if you can. And if you do eat them, just eat them a little, and you will live a whole lot happier. Trust me. Now, if you're exercising and you're active in any way, shape, or form, this is what your body wants for fuel, okay? It has everything you want in here, high in fiber, insoluble fiber, golden, okay? So I just wanted to clear that up. You see visually, bad, good. Hope that helped. Head on over, if you're 40 years old, head on over to BroProThrive.com. That's where I'm going to teach you exactly how to get stronger, healthier, fitter, and have more vitality than you've ever dreamed possible. See you there.